Bead rolling is a great way to add strength and style to sheet metal, whether it's floor pans, wheel tubs, bomber seats, or motorcycle fenders. And today we're going to take a look at the Eastwood Elite 8-inch bead roller and show you what it can do. And remember, if at any time you want to visit eastwood.com, simply click or tap the link in the top corner of the video. Eastwood offers many sizes of bead rollers, both hand crank and motorized. And if you want to try bead rolling without much investment, or you have small projects, the Elite 8-inch bead roller is a great option. But remember, just because it's small doesn't mean it's lesser quality. It's part of our Elite line of products that brings industrial design and styling to DIY tools. Just look at the thickness of the framework on this bead roller. And this heavy-duty half-inch thick plate means more precision because it won't flex. In fact, you can form 20-gauge stainless, 18-gauge steel, and 16-gauge aluminum, which should cover all the sheet metal work you'll be doing on a car, truck, or motorcycle. This bead roller will allow you to form into the center of a 16-inch panel, so you're still able to form panels for many cars or even motorcycle fenders. And you can make larger floor pans by making multiple pieces and welding them together. It's easy to operate by yourself with the gear-driven design and the 4-spoke handle. It comes with 2 sets of dies, the popular offset dies, as well as 3/8 bead rolling dies. To make professional-looking floor pans, you can roll beads down the middle to prevent flexing and add strength, and then roll an offset along the sheet metal to nicely overlay the neighboring panel. This unit has a standard 22mm shaft size, so you can add more bead rolling or flanging dies, or even add forming dies, which really expands the abilities of your bead roller and will allow you to make fender flares or trans tunnels. It's also nice because if you decide later on to upgrade to a larger bead roller with a standard shaft size, you can use the dies from this machine, which will also save you money. The offset dies are great because they're so versatile. You can adjust the distance and depth of the offset dies, giving you many different appearances and functions, which you can really see in this panel. These minor adjustments will provide the perfect depth and width to overlay a floor panel or the shapes you want to add strength and appearance in the metal. If you're looking to try bead rolling or have a few small projects, I recommend the Eastwood Elite 8-inch bead roller. For more information on this bead roller or other hand crank and motorized bead rollers at Eastwood, simply click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen.